Hello everyone. Welcome to the best practice kindergarten video for Join and Separate. My name is Billy Joe and we're going to be looking to see what our students should be doing in our classrooms for this unit. What are students going to be doing for Join and Separate? They should be using tools and pictures, words, and number sentences to solve and explain their thinking. In your classroom, you want to see students making connections between adding and subtracting. So what does that look like? Students should be using manipulatives and tools to solve, using number lines, using dry erase boards, working with peers, making connections between the addition and subtraction fact families. What will student learning sound like in the classroom? Students should be using accountable talk, explaining their thinking, agreeing and disagreeing with their peers. You should hear, this fact is related to this fact, and they should explain how I solved. When I separate, they should realize they have less if they're separating, and they should have a greater number if they are joining. Vocabulary for this unit is important that the students are making connections between the operation of addition and the act of joining, and the operation of subtraction with the act of separating. They should be using these words and making connections in everyday discussions. Demonstrating what they know. So students will have an opportunity in this unit to show what they know using exit tickets, show what you know activities, and as a teacher, you will have the observation checklist. That is a great way to track their understanding throughout the entire unit. Also, you're going to want to make sure you're listening to their explanations and their connections that they're making to show understanding of their mathematical thinking. Questioning is a great opportunity for teachers to check for understanding and to gauge at what point are the students not able to complete a task, or at what point are they making connections between the task. Here are a couple questions that are a great way to gauge your students' understanding of joining and separating. Before you begin solving a problem, what should you do first? Look at the story and where are the parts? Where's the hole in the problem? Where are you joining objects together? Or what operation are you using? Now it's time to think about making school-to-home connections. This is a great way to engage parents and students to share their at-school experiences in their home, to show their parents what they've learned. An engaging task could be something as simple as a board game like Hi-Ho Cheerio, or using a snack item like goldfish to represent joining and separating. Thank you for joining today on this video, and we'll see you next time.